keep watching me go now.
Yeah.
You just keep watching me go
Yeah.
now.
And that came out weird. Yeah, I don't know what. I guess we're real popular. How y'all doing? Hey. Okay. Well, I mean, okay, y'all like a gang or something.
A gang?
Yeah. What happened to your feathers, Peacock?
Where?
That's a peacock.
There's too much going on. I'm trying to understand what the hell. The cat ain't left. We got the ducks. The peacock.
Okay. Shit. Help. Somebody.
Boundaries. Y'all ain't got no sense of boundaries.
Okay. It's chaotic.
Was
And
it
then
like this
these
when you
three,
were?
no. And then this one and the three, they keep running around chasing each other, and I don't know why. What is that? The swan?